All right, if you have an LG dryer that is, let's see what this is. This is DLE7300VE. If you have this model, okay, congratulations. This piece right here, this piece right here, okay, this is the latch so that when you, this door opens two ways. Opens that way. You can also hit this latch right here, press it in, pull it down, and it goes that way. So that way, okay? My wife likes to do it this way. So that has been opened and closed thousands of times. And so what happened over time, if you look at this from the top, okay, this piece right here, that little flipping piece right there broke. And when it does, it doesn't have anything to leverage. There's anything to push against. So it doesn't work. In order to replace this part, I'll put the part number below this video. You have to order just this part. In order to install it, and for the love of all that is good and holy, take pictures or video the entire time you do this. You have to undo these screws here, these screws here, then you have to do all these different screws. All these different screws. Okay? And then here's the key part. This part right here, this is what needs to come off. All right, so there's clips. There's like a clip here, 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 and which you'll see when you take off the back part. You'll see when you take off this, you'll see these little clips. You just push those clips up, this pops right off. This piece lays right on top of there. This piece lays right on top of that. It's very simple once you get it open. But I will just tell you, you've got to take your time. Take pictures as you go of all the different screws, because there's like 5 different screws and I'm missing some because that's how good I am. The other thing is this. These little gray things right here, these are important. All right, there's 3 of them. They're there. There's 3 of them, okay? Take pictures of where those go. You're gonna have to take the hinges off and then lay it down and then pull it apart. But you have to make sure you know where these go, because these are very important to how it opens and closes. This one has a spring, these do not. One more thing, behind here, there's all this like white plastic hardware, these pieces that go up and down, One of them has a little tiny screw right over here. You're gonna have to take a little tiny screw out to disassemble all the stuff. So just take a lot of pictures as you go, but if you ever are cursed enough to have this little flipping thing break right here, then I pray that you found this video, because I didn't find any other videos to help me fix this. So I did it poorly. I pray this blesses you. Good luck, gentlemen or ladies.